Welcome to today's lesson on checking incoming goods step by step at the warehouse. Imagine this: a shipment has just arrived. Everything looks fine at first glance, but what if something is missing, damaged, or incorrect? In business, small mistakes at this stage can lead to big problems later. In this lesson, you'll learn how to professionally and accurately check incoming goods, communicate clearly with suppliers, and handle issues with confidence. We'll walk through each step, from verifying documents to inspecting products and reporting discrepancies, using practical English you can apply immediately in the workplace. By the end, you won't just understand the process, you'll be ready to communicate like a professional in real warehouse situations. Let's get started.
Good morning, Anna. The truck has just arrived at the warehouse.
Good morning, Nam. Okay, let's begin the receiving process.
Yes, the driver is waiting outside. Should we check the delivery note first?
Yes, always check the delivery note before unloading.
Here's the delivery note. Let me read it.
Please compare it with the purchase order.
Okay, the supplier name is ABC Company. It matches the purchase order.
Good. Check the purchase order number carefully.
The purchase order number is PO 4587. It is correct.
Great. Now check the quantity listed on the document.
The delivery note says 120 packages.
All right, let's count the actual packages from the truck.
Okay, I will start counting now.
Please count slowly and clearly.
1, 2, 3, 50, 80, 100, 120.
So, the quantity is correct?
Yes, the quantity matches the delivery note.
Good. Now check the condition of each package.
I will walk around and inspect them.
Look for any damage like broken boxes or wet cartons.
Okay, most of the packages look good.
Check the corners and bottom carefully.
Oh, I found 3 damaged boxes here.
What kind of damage do you see?
The boxes are dented and one box is open.
That is not good. We must record this damage.
Should I take photos as evidence?
Yes, take clear photos for evidence.
Okay, I am taking photos now.
Also, write the details of the damaged goods on the delivery note.
I will note 3 damaged goods, dented and open box.
Good. Ask the driver to sign the delivery note.
Yes, I will ask him now.
After that, we will inform the supplier.
Should we send an email to the supplier today?
Yes, we must inform the supplier as soon as possible.
Okay, what should we do next?
Next, check the item code on the boxes.
Let me check. The item code is A1001.
Does it match the purchase order?
Yes, the item code is correct.
Now check the description of the product.
The description says plastic components.
Is that correct according to the purchase order?
Yes, the description matches.
Good. Now we can start unloading the goods.
I will call the workers for unloading.
Remind them to handle the goods carefully.
Yes, I will.
For heavy packages, use the forklift.
Okay, we will use a forklift for safety.
Safety is very important in the warehouse.
The workers are ready now. We are starting unloading.
Move all goods to the inspection area.
Yes, all goods will go to the inspection area first.
Do not send anything to the storage area yet.
Understood. Everything must be checked first.
Correct. After that, we will do a quality check.
The QC team is available today.
Good. Ask them to come to the inspection area.
I will call them now.
While waiting, organize the packages neatly.
Yes, I will arrange them by item code.
That is a good idea. It makes checking easier.
The QC team has arrived. They will start the quality check.
Great. Let's wait for the result.
The QC team is checking carefully.
Yes, they must check size, color, and function.
The QC team finished the quality check.
What is the result?
Most goods are good, but the 3 damaged goods failed.
Okay, we will reject those items.
And we will accept the rest, right?
Yes, we accept the good items.
What about the damaged goods?
We will return them to the supplier.
Should we arrange a return shipment?
Yes, prepare a return shipment tomorrow.
I will update the report now.
Include the quantity, condition, and damage in the report.
Yes, I will write everything clearly.
Also, update the inventory system.
I will add the accepted goods to the inventory.
Good. Where will you put the accepted goods?
I will move them to the storage area.
Make sure they are stored correctly.
Yes, I will follow the storage rules.
Excellent. Today's receiving process is done.
Thank you for your guidance, Anna.
You did a good job, Nam. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on checking incoming goods step by step at the warehouse. Today, you've learned how to carefully verify documents, inspect goods, and report any issues using clear and professional business English. These skills are essential to prevent costly mistakes and ensure smooth operations. Remember, effective communication at this stage is just as important as accuracy. The way you describe a problem or confirm a delivery can make a big difference in how quickly it gets resolved. Keep practicing the key phrases and steps we covered, and try to apply them in real or simulated workplace situations. Great work today, and see you in the next lesson.